Action!
Hi, I'm Mike with House on the Mend, and I've got a great trick to save $60 to $80 on Philips Hue light bulbs. Now these bulbs are all the rage. You can control them with the app on your phone or with a smart home system such as the Amazon Echo or the Google system. These, you can dim them and you can also change their colors. The problem is each one of these bulbs is currently $50 a piece. But I've got a great way to save money. If you go on Amazon right now, this starter kit that comes with 4 colored bulbs and the bridge, which is what's required to have your home systems speak to the bulbs, is only $140. So right off the bat, 4 bulbs, you're saving $60. But if you already have a bridge, as this home does, then you can sell the one that comes with this kit on eBay. You can list it, they're going for about $20 to $30 right now. So you can walk away saving quite a bit of money from buying these colored bulbs individually. But here is the catch. The catch is that the bulbs that come in these starter kits are already paired to the bridge that comes with the kit. And unlike most of the light bulbs that you purchase, that you screw in and the Echo app, and I won't say her actual name because she's right over there and she'll start talking to us, but the app that controls the Amazon system won't recognize these bulbs. So I went over to the Philips Hue app and attempted to find them there, and it wouldn't pair with them either through the normal search method. So here's the trick. If you look on each light bulb, as you see here, there is a serial number. You can go into the app and you can manually enter the serial number. And you can see here that I entered 4 bulbs manually by their serial number, and then I hit search. And after a few seconds, they started popping up one after the other in the Philips Hue app. Then I went back into the Amazon app that controls the Echo device, and it too then recognized them. And I took those 4 lights that were going into one room and I combined them into their own group, and as you can see here, they work great.
Alexa, turn Jay's lights on.
So that's a little trick I got for you to save $60 to $80 on these very expensive but awesome light bulbs. I would love to hear your comments below and any money-saving tips you have on obtaining these bulbs that work with these home systems, because I know my customers and I need a lot more bulbs. Until next time, thank you for watching.
Cut.
Good job, dude.